Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm really excited. I am filming with my Skyler scent club this month, so if you want to see my thoughts on this scent and all of the details, then just keep on watching. Now, if you don't know what Skyler Scent Club is, it is a monthly subscription. I pay about $26.35 every month, and with that, you get to choose one rollerball each month. I just get the scents of the month because I like to expand my horizons and smell new things. This month's scent is called Super Bloom, and I'm terrified because I don't like florals. But let's go ahead and get into this with an open mind. This is Super Bloom. It has notes of grapefruit, daisy, and peony petals. And as we know, Skyler is hypoallergenic and eco-friendly and cruelty-free and vegan and all of the good things. And inside this box it says abundance surrounds me, and that is a little cute manifestation right there. This is described as floral, bright, and joyful. Blooming flowers sweep over the hills as far as the eye can see. The bright colors bring joy in abundance. I'm so scared but so excited at the same time. Let's go ahead and rub this in and see what it's giving. Ooh, okay. Let's read up on the notes while I let this kind of sit in there. So the top notes are juicy apple, grapefruit, wildflower greens. The middle notes are daisy, white gardenia, and peony petals. And the base notes are upcycled cedarwood, sandalwood, and creamy musk. Now, considering this is a February scent, I want to say super fitting, super flirty, super girly, just super cute, right? On theme, A+. For me, this is kind of giving flower bomb without the sweetness that flower bomb has. It kind of just gives floral. I don't hate it, which is surprising. It doesn't smell like old lady floral. It smells more youthful. It smells like a youthful floral. I'm sorry, I shouldn't say old lady. But old ladies have like this distinct smell. It's like a very powdery smell. That's not this. This is kind of giving like Bath & Body Works sweet pea mixed with flower bomb without the sweetness that flower bomb has. Very nice. I don't hate it, which is very different for me to say. And let's just commit. It's very alcohol-y when you first put it on. Definitely needs to sit on there for a while, because if not, it smells like alcohol. This one says that it layers well with lime sands and pink canyon. You know, spring's coming around. This is like what I would wear if I was going to wear floral. It would be something like this. It's not too overpowering. It's not too like I'm like, oh, no. It's very light, very fresh. It is very bright. And I would say it's very joyful. It really like uplifts you. But for me, this smells like spring. It smells like things blooming and like good, like fresh blooms. I was scared for nothing. Look at me. Last month we had a coconut scent that I liked, and now we have a floral scent that I like. Like, go Skyler! I love it. This is awesome. The packaging is absolutely beautiful too. Like, I'm sorry I didn't show you, but like, oh my goodness. I love it. Super Bloom. Beautiful. Obviously it's not my favorite and I wouldn't wear it every day. But for a floral, as a person who hates floral, very good. It must be that grapefruit in there really helping me with that floral, because if it was just floral, I probably wouldn't like it that much. But because that grapefruit adds like this freshness to it, I like it. A fragrance that captures the essence of a picturesque meadow in full bloom. Let the delight harmony of grapefruit, daisy, and peony petals transport you to a world where vibrant blooms stretch as far as the eyes can see. That's what like I pictured. Like, this box is literally perfect because like it's literally what my mind pictures. Like me wearing the scent, running in a field full of flowers. A dream come true. Leave all my worries, right? Just like dip into the countryside and run in a fucking field of flowers. I fucking wish I could do that. I'm interested to know what upcycled cedarwood is. Is that like burnt cedarwood, like getting reused? Like, what is that? I would love a description of that. Wow, I did not expect to like this nearly as much as I did, but wow. I love this. It smells so nice. I'm living a little girl. I don't stray far from that, okay? All my perfumes have a little hint of vanilla in there somewhere. I feel like this is one perfume that has no vanilla in it that I can get down with. I can get down with it. It smells nice.
I like it a lot.
I am so happy with this one, and I can't wait to see the next scent. I think it was already teased. It's like a cucumber, something fresh. Like, it's giving fresh spring vibes. That's what it's giving, and I'm excited. But this is really nice. It's like the end of winter, start of spring. Very, very cool that I like this one, and I'm very excited. And with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. I hope I keep getting better and better at these. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Skylar videos from me. I love to film these, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Let me take my watch off so it doesn't cut circulation. The middle notes are Daisy, White Gardenia, Peony Petals. The middle notes are Daisy,